The advancement and development of technology have helped people a lot in their fields. It makes their work easier, less stressful, and faster. An example is the introduction of new emerging technologies and techniques to show the Galaxy M87 black hole better. Galaxy M87 is a galaxy in the universe that many scientists and astronomers are interested in. Peter Biantes, an avid space watcher, hopes that in the future, there will be more advanced technology for space study. Peter Biantes is an experienced corporate leader and advisor who works in Australia. What are black holes? A black hole is a volume of space with extreme gravity that prevents fast and slow-moving particles from escaping. It works so effectively that light cannot even escape it. A renowned scientist once studied black holes while studying relativity. He said that mass can squeeze inside a very tiny spot. This can bend space-time that surrounds the spot in such a way that no particle or light will escape. Initially, some people didn't believe black holes existed. But years of evidence have shown that they exist just like other galaxies. The formation of black hole stars that have a massive mass more than the Sun go through the highest gravitational collapse. This happens when the star's fuel finishes up and confines such a huge volume of mass. Then, gravity's collective force allows many atoms to stay in a single space in a dense way. This results in the formation of black holes. The second type of black hole formation, this is a hypothesis that has not yet been proven or taken note of. The hypothesis says that black holes exist when the early universe produces a rippling vacuum that quickly expands. The expansion of the vacuum is called inflation, which can collapse a huge volume of mass confined in a space. Notwithstanding this hypothesis, black holes can be found around galaxies like the galaxy M87, says Peter Biantes. Images of galaxy M87 first image. Normally, you can't see a black hole, but you can see a super huge black hole with the help of a telescope. So scientists used a telescope to view the black hole of the galaxy M87 image for the first time. The telescope called Horizon in 2019 showed the galaxy in a black hole. This was the first image, however, it was a fuzzy one, even though it was collected from different telescopes. The unclear image of the black hole didn't satisfy the scientists' curiosities. Hence, they opted for another image viewing option, which is the use of machine learning to sharpen the image. According to Peter Biantes, the new image shows the advantages of using modern and more high-tech technology. First image of black hole. How did the Horizon telescope work? The Horizon telescope is a professional telescope that scientists use to take pictures of galaxies and the universe. It collects data from different telescopes globally and gathers them together. However, this data gathering method isn't as good as other techniques. The image formed is not as sharp as it should be. This is because scientists are unable to use telescopes to cover all the surfaces of the Earth. Hence, gathering data from different telescopes onto one telescope leaves some information out. What does the first image look like? Peter Biantes said the first image posted online was of an unclear dark hole that surrounded an orange ring. The hole is a supermassive one that eclipsed the galaxy. This made scientists conclude that the blurry image needed a new technique to make it more clear. Improved image. What does the machine learning image look like? In the sharpened image, the orange ring was less thick than in the blurry first image. This was surprising given that it was the same first image that was sharpened. Everybody appreciated the new, clearer, and sharper image. It lets them see exactly what the black hole and the galaxy M87 look like. The future of using machine learning in sharpening images. The use of machine learning in sharpening images in the future will help people in the astronomy field immensely. They use the technique to study subjects related to black holes, their gravity, and their mass. It will also help them in carrying out tests in astronomy and astrophysics. Conclusion: it is clear that new technology sometimes makes the impossible possible. This can be seen from the improved version of the old Galaxy M87 image, says Peter Biantes. To conclude it all, the machine learning technique has brought a better image of the M87 to the world.